Hello all, welcome back to your YouTube channel, and today we are going to see the literal or lit function in PySpark, right? So now sometimes you want to create a new column and each value, like each row, we want to fill the same value, right? Now let's start with the beginning. I just imported all the functions and all the types. Now this is our data must be in square bracket and each row must be in the round bracket, right? We have the three rows and these are the column name, right? Now just run the code and firstly we will see the data and then we can understand where we can use the lit function. Now if you see, we have the three columns and three rows. Now we want to create a new column where we just, like, maybe we forgot to add a new column and where, like country, right? So country, for the all three records country is same. So we want to create a new column and each row must have the same value. At that time, like, rather than adding the value row by row, we can add at a single time using the lit function. Let's see the practically how we can use the lit function. So now suppose df.withColumn, we want to create a new column, that name is country, column name is country, right? And we want to fill the value, that column value, like we want to fill the column with the value lit USA or suppose UK. Now and we want to see the result, right? So let's see the result. If you see, now we added the new column country and each row has the value as a UK. Now suppose we want to add one more numeric value also, right? At that time also syntax is same. The only thing is that just we need to add the numeric value. Now suppose I want to add one more column. Suppose I want to add bonus. Each employee we are giving the fixed bonus, right? Suppose now we created the new column, that is bonus, and value we want to give the bonus, like maybe suppose 3000. And now we want to see the result. So I added this numeric column, numeric value added to the each row for the bonus column, and here we added the string value for the each row for the country column. Now let's run the code and let's see the result what we are getting after we add the numeric value. Now if you see, we get the new column, that is bonus, even though we can use lit function with the condition also. Like suppose now what we want, right? So we added the bonus, but now rather than adding the new column, we want to add the salary here only, like 10 in this main salary we want to do some appraisal. Right now currently this year they have the salary of 1000, but we have done some appraisal, right? 10%, like maybe some, suppose if we take each employee we got the same appraisal, like something 10,000, right? And then we want to see the result, so we can add the lit function with different condition, when and otherwise call, right? So let's see with that also with practically df with column, df with column. Okay, so we want total salaries of, suppose a new column we want to create, and now suppose call is salary, and what we want to add the new salary, and we have done the appraisal of 10,000, right? And we want to see the result, so it will create the new call. So here we use the lit function with call function, right? So we can use lit with when, otherwise, and other condition also, right? If I now run it, if you see the result, like it will create a new column, and there for the new column it is running, wait for some time, we created new column total salary, and there we add the salary plus new appraisal salary 10,000 plus what is salary for the each row. So each row, now if you see, if I go to the bottom, now we run the code and let's see the, so now if you see, we added the total salary 1000 plus 10,000 11,000, 2000 plus 10,000 12,000, 3,000 plus 10,000, 13,000. So lit function is very useful when we want to add a new column or like in condition. So just remember, like the lit function, we want to fill the each value as a same each row as a same value. At that time we can use the lit function or literal function. So that's all about the today's video. If you have any question, please write down in comment and please subscribe the channel. Thank you.